Hello. I look like crap right now. It's 9:15. I have homework to do, and I have the hiccups. If I hold my breath, I run out of oxygen. And if I run out of oxygen, I usually die. And it's not good if you die, because if you die, you're dead. Hiccups. Okay, you're dead. And my bunnies are chilling. I need to clean their cage. And I hate my webcam thing. Yeah, it sucks balls. It spills into my computer anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And yeah, this is my first YouTube post. I'm GymSocksAndElizabeth. Ooh. Sizzle. Okay, anyways. I hate chainmails. Just tell you, if you're gonna send me an email, you can send me an email. I honestly don't care. Like, I could care less about you sending me an email. But if it has anything to do with me having to forward something, I'm not gonna forward it. I think it's stupid. So if you know me, you can stop sending me these chainmails because you're scared you're gonna get killed by Mickey Mouse. And I seriously got an email that said that. I'm not kidding you. I hate chainmails. If you know me, stop sending me them. They're not true if you didn't realize that by now. Notice how I keep doing this just so I can see the color of my fingernails. Yes. My bunnies are chilling over there. I'll show you guys them some other day. Well, it's a Friday night, September 5th. Started school a couple days ago, and it's been horrible. Yeah. Life is weird. Alright. That's all I need to say. I was bored. So yeah, first YouTube video about hiccups and chainmails. That's me. Alright. Yeah. GymSocksAndElizabeth. Peace and out.